Well, it's Monday morning. Nice day out. So I headed over to Point No Point to get some exercise, ride my one wheel a little bit. Went down past the lighthouse. Was hoping to go on the beach, but the tide was too high. I did get down to the beach, but it turned out the only beach that was available was entirely too soft to work the one wheel on. So here's what happened. I got to get some mud tires for that thing. But did get to see the SS Carl Vincent go by heading out towards the Pacific Ocean. That was kind of cool. So that was my Monday. Get out, have yourself some fun too. Thanks again for watching. See you soon.